So this automation helps you to generate thousands of leads using Google Maps, and also write them Google personalized outreach message, and also send them through email and through WhatsApp. So make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and let's get into this video. So first of all, where do we get this automation? I will put the link in the description. Click that, open our school community, join it, and in the classroom section you will see this automation downloaded from there. And after that, click here 3 buttons, and click here import file, and import that file, import this file from our school community. And after that, you just need to go to the Apify, because we are using Apify to scrape leads from the Google Maps, and we are using basically this actor of Apify. And just you need to go here, click on API endpoint, and come here where you will see this thing, and copy this and go back to the NA10 and open this an HTTP request section, and control A8 and remove it, and paste your API and the actor link that you have copied. And once you will done, I will also put Google Sheet template. So you need to click that and open it in your open it in your account, and click here make a copy. And after that, you will just need to go here and change the file name. Once you have done, come to the second automation, and also select the file you have created, and here also configure it. Once you have done, run this automation like I will show you the demo. Click here and just type dental. I'm just typing for now dental clinic. I want the USA, and the number of leads I want only 10, and the system will run, scrape the leads from the Google Maps, and check the duplications and all that stuff, and also append on your Google Sheet. Here you will see the new leads have been come, and the production is being scraped. The process is being scraped. Now what you need to do, go back to the NA10, click here. Once you click it, it will run, and here you will see the if node and code node and the set node. What these node will done, if the business have only email, it will only generate email for them. It will not send them a message. And if the business have only number, they don't have email, it will just only make personalized message for them and send to them. And if the business have both email and number, it will automatically create a draft, and also send them create a draft in an email, and also send them message in the. So hope you like this video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel, like this video, and if you want this template, click the first link below and download it from here. And if you need any kind of custom automation or any kind of automation for your business, I will put my WhatsApp link in the description, so you can contact me there. Thanks for